MFA Fine Art is like a means to explore like fine art practices in whatever that is, in whatever medium. This program specifically gives you a safe space to experiment in different mediums and give you kind of like the confidence to try new things. Like for me, I'm a very interdisciplinary person just in general. If I want to learn something, like I'll learn it, I'll like buy the tools and like work to it, watch a bunch of YouTube videos, like take classes. And this kind of compressed all of those things really rapidly. So I was able to learn things like twice as fast because basically you could go into a workshop and you can come in with like something that you want to do that you've never done before, and you have someone there to help you basically make that into a reality. It helped me to like redefine and really like look at my practice and be like, this is my practice. It helped me with knowing that like my basis and the way that I really like to work is in metal, but also I can also expand that to other mediums like pretty quickly, like being able to like take the physicality of what I do within labor to then also be able to translate that into like a physical form or an embodiment or performance or video. And that was something that I was always kind of intimidated by, but it really allowed me to like push myself out of my comfort zone.